So good afternoon. Welcome to Vistula Language Solutions. My name is Daniel Miller, and today we are going to be talking about numbers. And you see we have a lot of numbers here, and the first thing I would like to do is to explain to you the difference in pronunciation with some numbers. So we have the number 12 and 20, for example, and here we have 13 and 30. Now, they're a little different when you pronounce them. So, for example, we have 13, and now we have 30. So the stress is different. So on this number we would say 13, and then the stress here is on the first syllable. We say 30. Okay? So if you're watching this, you can repeat after me. So we have 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. Now, if you're watching this, I'm going to give you a quiz. So I will say a number, and you have to write it down. Okay, so here are the numbers, and I'm going to read them. So we have 19, 40, 70, 18, 15, 90, 17. Okay? So here are the numbers that I just read. So once again, we have 19, 40, 70, 18, 15, 90, and 17. Okay? So, now the next part I want to talk about is something called ordinal numbers here. Now, we have the numbers, standard numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, but we also use different numbers for dates and order and for centuries. Okay, and to talk about order, we would say like the first person, the second person, the first thing, the second thing. So, for example, I have here the first man on the moon. So we don't say the one man on the moon, but we say the first man on the moon. Or, for example, for dates, we say today is the 25th. Today is the 25th. Or you can say for centuries, this is the 21st century. Okay, so we would say the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and the 10th. Right, and now I would like to just talk about some small things with numbers when you are saying numbers, because you see this number here. We know this is 100. And we can also say 100, for example. So we can say 100 or 100. And we have 200, and we have 1,000, and we have 10,000, and we have 100,000. So we can say 100,000 or 100,000. We can say 1,000 or 1,000. Okay, we can say 1 million or a million. We can say a billion or 1 billion. Okay, in America we say a billion or 1 billion. In the UK they would say a milliard or 1 milliard. Right. And so here we have this number 150. Okay, so you can say 150 or 150. Okay, and we have the word and here. It's optional. So you can say 150 or 150. And it's the same. We say 210. Okay, or 210. Or you can say 1,050 or 1,050. Okay, but be careful, because it's possible you can say, for example, 150 or 100, but you cannot say 210, for example. Only 210, okay? So you can say, it's possible to say 100 or 1,000, but not not 200, only 200. Okay, so this has been my lesson on numbers, and then I hope that has been helpful for you. Thank you very much.